Should you grow an email list in 2022? Is it an effective strategy? Is it outdated? How do you start? And should you even start? Today, I will give you the answers to all of these questions, so stick around because the answers might surprise you. But first, if you're interested in creating both financial and time freedom through multiple streams of residual income using affiliate marketing, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel because that's all we talk about here. Hi, my name's Jason, and let's dive into today's video. Now, we've all heard that the money's in the list, and if you take any kind of affiliate marketing course, they teach you how to build an email list. But do we really need it? I mean, it's not fun, it's kind of boring, and it's pretty outdated, right? Well, let me back it up a little. See, in 2017, I started a YouTube channel, and along the way, I learned that I could stick an affiliate link in the description, and people would click on it, I could earn some money. That's my introduction to affiliate marketing. But I would just send a direct link to whatever product I was promoting. I didn't bother with sales funnel or to collect their emails because I would always have this growing YouTube audience, right? Well, last year, that account got hacked and deleted, and I lost all my subscribers, and I didn't have any of their emails, so I didn't have any way to contact the majority of people. If I had built an email list, not only could I have made more money along the way, but I could also contact them and let them know what was going on. So yes, it is important. Now, this time around on this channel, I am building an email list, and in fact, I use GetResponse, but there's several others, so let me know in the comments if you would like a video comparing the different email list providers. But it's still outdated, right? Well, by now, so is Facebook and so is Instagram, but once these new platforms come and go, what's left behind? The email you have to use to register with them. So while it might be kind of outdated and not as effective as it was in the past, it's still very important to be collecting people's emails to this day. These are people who have willingly given you a piece of their personal information, and you can contact them day after day. Now, if I make a Facebook post or an Instagram post, sure, some of my audience will see them and some will not, and that's completely up to the Facebook algorithm. You can tweak it in your favor, but it's still not up to you. However, with these emails, it will 100% be sent to them, and it's up to you and your headline and your relationship with them on whether they open or not, but for a fact, it will be sent to them. So now you have someone who's given you a piece of their personal information that you contact day after day, and they can read your emails, they can read whatever you're sending them, and that sounds like a great way to build know, like, and trust to me. So yes, I would say it's pretty useful and actually necessary if you want a long-term business that will succeed. But here's where things get really interesting. There's sites out there that will send emails out automatically, or email autoresponders. GetResponse is one of them, and that's why I use it. And these are an amazing way to not only build your list, but to get people more interested in your offer. See, what you do is you use the sales funnel. Like I use the Home Business Academy for my sales funnel, and if you want to check them out, it'll be in a link in the description below. But my sales funnel will give away like a free offer, right? And this could be a video training. It could be like a checklist or a template or a free ebook, some kind of offer that your audience would be interested in receiving. And with this email autoresponder, it will automatically add the person to your list, automatically send them an email with your free offer. And this does a couple of things. First, they get your free offer, so they're happy. They get their first taste of what you have to offer, whatever you're promoting. And most importantly, you've gotten them to open your first email. Now, when you send an email the next day and the next day and the next day, they're more likely to see it, they're more likely to open it, and it's less likely to end up in people's spam folders. And the best part, all of this is done 24/7 around the clock for you. You can be giving out these free offers automatically, whether you're sleeping, out of the house, or just binge watching Netflix. Another scenario I'd like to run by you as to why email marketing is so relevant even to this day is how busy we all are. I know almost everybody I know, myself included, is always busy. Whether you're at work, you're taking classes or trying to learn a new skill, you got kids, you're going places, you're seeing people. All of us are always busy, right? So while you might be talking to someone in Messenger who actually is interested in your offer, you don't know what they're doing right now. They could be busy, they could be running late for something, they could be going somewhere right now, and they don't have the time to sit through your offer, and then 50 other people are messaging them and it gets lost. However, if you're sending them emails, now anytime is right there in their inbox, so anytime they're able to just sit and look at the offer, they can do that, and you're sending them daily reminders, because she might be like, oh yeah, I was interested in that, but I was busy at the time. I'm so glad you reminded me through email. It is the best and easiest way to follow up with people, because you can set up these email autoresponders that will send them daily reminders of your offer, instead of having to remember who you talked to in Messenger and manually following up with them the next day, or paying extra for software to do it for you. But if you're still not convinced about email marketing, then listen up, because this next thing should be all the proof that you need. Now, I assume if you're watching this and you've made it this far, that you have some sort of online business and that you actually want that online business to be successful, right? What's the best way to have a successful online business is by following people who are already there. Follow these million-dollar companies, follow these people who have been there, done that, and they are successful. And what's one thing that they all have in common? They all want to collect your email. If you go to whatever they're offering, you will see a funnel that wants to collect your email, and then for the next several days, weeks, or even months afterwards, you will get emails from these people. Now, who am I talking about? Course creators. Think of Jonathan Montoya or Jacob Karras or Zach Crawford. Any of these people collect your emails when you sign up for their courses. I've taken several, and a lot of people send me emails every day to this day. Russell Branson will collect your email, and then you take these courses, and what do they all have in common? They all say that you need to build an email list. But what's even more important than them saying that is that all of these people actually do. They actually are collecting your email to build their email list while they're telling you to build an email list. You could talk to 100 different people, whether these are coaches, mentors, gurus, whatever you want to call them. You could talk to 100 different people. They will tell you 100 different ways to build your online business, and one way that they will all have in common, and one way that they will all do it themselves, is by collecting your email and proceed in email marketing to you long after you've subscribed to whatever email list they have. Simply put, it works, so you need to do it. So to recap, social media could ban you or become outdated any day now. We saw it with MySpace. These people are sharing a piece of their personal information with you, receiving a free gift so they're happy with you, and you're building your know, like, and trust with them every single day while you repeatedly remind them of your amazing offer. And every successful online business out there still does it to this day. So, is email marketing relevant in 2022? The answer is yes. And if you need help on how to get started or what to do, check out this video, because I explained the whole thing and how it works in there. If you gotten anything out of this video, I'm going to ask you, please hit that like button and then subscribe if you want to learn more ways to become financially free through residual income, which email marketing is a part of. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.